Father's Day, we had to improvise with wrapping the gifts because I thought we had wrapping paper. So I used regular paper and black tape. So, and I had to write on there, and all the kids did the same thing. But hey, we getting it together. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Happy Father's Day! Nehemiah, you want to go see the garage door open real quick? All right, so who wants to give Dada their gifts first? Nia? Okay. Bubba's just walking around with his little gifts. Oh. I had to improvise. We ain't had no wrapping paper.
Oh, okay. You
I didn't get any bags either. So, oh, here, Bubba. Don't throw a fit. Here. There you go. So Nia wanted to get you a book.
Oh, I love you, Daddy, forever, you little girl. Oh, thank you. We're gonna have to read this.
It's a cute little book too.
Yes, we're gonna read this today. Thank you, Nia. Oh, appreciate you. Yes, we're gonna read this.
And then Naomi, where's yours? You want to give yours to Dada?
Let's see. All right.
There we go. I'm gonna take my little thing off my. Oh, read the front of them. They wrote on them.
Oh.
Nia put Happy Father's Day on hers.
Oh, thank you. Let me see.
Look at Naomi's pictures. She drew pictures and stuff. She wrote her name.
Naomi.
Let me see, Nia.
Oh, what you got
This is
here?
Nia's. It says Happy Father's Day.
Oh. My favorite people call me Dad. Oh.
Naomi wanted to get you a shirt.
Thank you, Naomi. I'm gonna wear this to dinner today.
Yeah.
You wanna show it on the camera?
Yeah, that's what Naomi got
Yeah, I'm gonna wear this
him.
to dinner. Oh.
Wait, can you hold it up again?
Oh, okay.
I wanted to see. It didn't read it. My favorite people call me Dad. That's what Naomi got him.
Wait, there's more tape on it.
Oh, that's okay. Oh, on the shirt. Oh, wait. Oh, here's Naomi's.
I like how you improvise.
Here's Naomi. I know. Here's Naomi's. I don't know if y'all can see that.
Thank you, Naomi.
She drew her.
Oh, appreciate
Naomi, who's this on the? She wrote her name very well.
Thank you, Naomi.
Who's this on your drawing?
Here, Bubba.
Who did you draw on here? Who's this? What's that? Who's on the picture? Who is it? Is it you and Dada?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay, in a heart. That's cute.
Buddies.
That one's from Buddy.
Yeah, it's a gift card.
Buddy looks so mad.
Gift card.
Nope. Buddy, wake up, man.
Hey, I got that first. Yep, I never got
No, he is. Like, give it back. I don't want him crying. He's all right. Look at Bub. Bub was
thank
ready for
you.
Dada to open more gifts.
What we got here? Oh, this is nice. It says autism doesn't come with a manual. It comes with a father who never gives up. Oh,
And let me see.
thank you.
Oh. So Nehemiah got Dada this keychain.
Yeah, I'm gonna keep that on me.
It says, ooh, I don't know if I can get it. There we go. Autism doesn't come with a manual. It comes with the father who never gives up. That's so cute.
Yeah, so I'm gonna put that on my keychain.
Oh.
Okay.
He always thinks
Thank you, buddy.
Nathaniel.
Love you, sir. That's who's that for?
That's for me.
Oh, okay.
Nathaniel drew on his too.
Oh,
Oh, here's
thank y'all.
Nehemiah's drawing. He wrote his name, Buddy.
Mom, where are we going? Today's church?
We're going to church and then we're going to dinner later on. You have no idea what that is.
No.
That. Does it have a paper in there to tell you what it is? No. It's a guard. It's a shaving guard.
Oh.
So you put it on the mirror and you put it around you.
Oh.
When you're shaving, it catches.
Oh, cool. There you go. So I put so it's like.
It's like a smock, but you hang those hang on the It connects to you and then the mirror.
Really?
Yeah.
Both?
Just trying to think of
This is the last
practical things you could use. Oh, he's like,
Come here,
oh,
Bubbles. Come
give
here.
Daddy hugs.
Oh, thank you, man.
Where you going?
He's coming on circle.
Happy Father's Day. I pray you have a great day. Thank you for being a great dad to the kids and working so hard for the family. Hope you can get some rest today. I was thinking about that. Thank you for all you do. Love, Dre. Oh, thank you, honey. I see you. I like this.
You like that?
Still this idea.
Yeah, I was like, we got a wrapping paper, but we got construction paper.
Yeah, school paper.
Yeah, it's printer paper.
You know how to. I don't see it. Well, I probably won't steal this all day. I'm not good.
You can. I've done it before.
Is this the case for the tablet?
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Hopefully it fits, because I was like, I don't know, but...
And you know, I'm glad this is a reminder to get everything set up today. When we get home, we chilling out. Because all I got to do is set my Amazon to my Amazon. I have an Amazon thing already.
Yeah.
And then I can just get it going. Thank you, honey.
You're welcome.
Yes,
I was like, he needs a case, so why
this is a
not get
reminder I
that?
need to get it set up. It's been too long.
Yeah. Just arrived to the restaurant. I'm gonna show y'all where we're at, but I think it's gonna be pretty cool. Nia, you excited? Y'all ready?
Yes. I've been waiting. I've been wanting to go here for a minute. Cool.
Where are we? We are at Rainforest Cafe. We've been wanting to come here for a minute. Rainforest Cafe.
Mama, can I feel it too?
Yeah, go ahead. It's just what steam from the water. Bubba's, look, a giraffe. A giraffe. Y'all, look at this. It is literally like a rainforest on the inside. Cheetah up there. We're gonna come over this way. Tiger right there. There's two right there. There's three actually. There's a little one right there. Some elephants over there. It looks like a rainforest. It's literally like the rainforest. It's storming right now. It's so cool. It's okay, girls. It's just like a movie. Whoa.
I don't want it. Mommy.
Nia, it's okay. Look at the gorillas over there. Girls, y'all like the rainforest?
Yes.
Nia, you like it?
So funny.
Nathaniel, you like it, Bubba? You like it, Bubba? Buddy don't care.
Nobody.
Oh. It's a rainforest. What? Ooh, see? Good job, Nia. Nathaniel, what you got, man? You got some fries? You've been dipping it in the ranch too, so. Is it good, Bubba? Nehemiah has fries as well. That's all he'll eat. Naomi got a cheese pizza that she's smashing on right now. Is it good, Naomi? And fries. Okay. Nia, what you got? You got some chicken and fries. DeCory.
I had
Sorry,
a
this
pulled pork
video a
burger.
little late. What did you get?
A pulled pork burger.
You had a pulled pork burger. And I got the beastly burger. It's double patty, but that one came out, so it's pretty good. Really good. Bubba, you see the feet?
Mom, what is these for?
It's just to lead you to the restaurant. Nathaniel, what do you see? But he's still on that phone. All right, come on.
That pulled pork burger was delicious.
pulled pork.
Try a pulled pork burger.
And it had coleslaw on there.
Yes.
All right, come on, Baba. Girls, did y'all have fun at the restaurant?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mom, it's just like at my birthday.
Naomi said, Mommy, is that snake real? No, everything's fake.
Mommy, look.
That's so funny.
Mommy, look.
Oh yeah, they see they can build a bear. You see how much that Build-A-Bear is? Well, for a giant one, I guess. For a giant one, like that one up there. Cool, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, I was like, where's Bubba?
Mom, can I touch it? Can I just grab
Bubba. Come on, Bubba. There we go to alligator. Bubba, it's an alligator. No, everything's fake. Bubba, come on, man. This way, Bubba. Nathaniel.